Welcome to a day in the life of a video game developer. Back in 2018, I graduated from high school and decided to take the year off. This means I have a lot of free time on my hands and I'll usually be developing video games. To start off my mornings, I'll head downstairs and make myself a cup of tea. I'll then write down a schedule of everything I need to get done that day, usually having to do with anything game related. Now it's time for a quick breakfast and then we get right to work. I'll quickly browse through my social media account and post on my game development Twitter page if needed, and then it's time to start developing games. Real quick, if you are interested in the content that is being shown in the video right now, this is actually the newest video that I just released today on my main channel, where I basically take a game from scratch and build the entire game for you guys so you guys can see the step-by-step process of everything it takes to make a video game. I try to make it as interesting as possible and will speed up a lot of the process that's unneeded, so I hope you guys go to my main channel and check that one out. By this point, it's usually past lunchtime, so I grab a quick snack to eat and get right into my physical activity for the day. As far as my physical activity goes, I'll be either skateboarding, doing some calisthenics, or learning some gymnastics. Once dinner's all finished, it's time for the last objective of the day: relaxing time. You'll probably catch me playing video games, thinking of some new ideas for games or videos, or spending some quality time with my family and friends. And yeah, that's pretty much my day. Sometimes I get a little sidetracked, but for the most part, this is kind of how things go, and this is how I stay productive. I really enjoy scheduling out what I need to do for that day and how much time it will take. And once again, if you guys want to see more content on actually making games and learning how I got into this process, subscribe to my channel and I will be showing you guys all of what I've learned, how I have gotten to where I am, and where I continue to go moving forward. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this has been a day in my life.